Country people, I greet una. This na BBC Pidgin service, and we dey reach una live from the Federal High Court Abuja, where we come for the hearing of the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho 8, where DSS arrest since July 1. And Justice Obiora Egwatu, they hear the case, and we dey inside courtroom since when court session starts. But the court don't go on break now. Now make I come outside, come give an update sharp. Both the appellants and the respondents, they make progress. I will first tell on say for court today, the 12 appellants come court in person. All the 12 Sunday Igboho 8 wey been dey DSS custody, all of them show face for court today. So as Justice Obiora see them, he can commend the DSS, thank them as they obey the court order, bring all the 12 people come. As proceedings been they go inside the courtroom, DSS talk say they no go oppose the bail application of 8 of the applicants out of the 12. The 8 people, according to waiting the DSS present to the judge, will be Justice Obiora, then talk say after their investigation for this long period of time, say those people they no get better criminal case to answer, so then go allow them to go. They also pray the courts to keep 4 of the applicants for their custody. Say those 4 people then get plenty allegation for their head, wey include handling of firearms, ammunitions, and other criminal items where they see for their custody. So the respondents will be DSS pray the courts to keep 4 of the applicants for their custody for 14 days, so that they go get more time to conclude their investigation. So lawyer to the applicants will be Pelumi Olajengbesi can't tell the judge say that one no suppose happen according to the Nigerian constitution. Say if they keep them 4 of them for extra 14 days, it dey against the fundamental human rights of the people. And again, no follow law where we say the DSS will ask to detain 4 further when it be say the main case now for all of them to get a bail application. So if the DSS won't detain 4 of the applicants and release the other 8, then they need to write another application to detain the 4. Make the lawyer not just come tell the court for mouth like that. They need to document them, put them for paper, start another chapter for those 4 people entirely. So now the matter will be there, so they don't agree to release 8 of them, but they still DSS still they tell the court saying no go fit release those 4 where they allegedly they get criminal cases for their head, where they see firearms and ammunitions for their hand. So when the lawyer Pelumi Olajengbesi come pray the court, say make them release all of them, the DSS lawyers will be the respondents to say if they release those 4 where they won't carry out further investigation on top, say then they fear say the people no go make themselves available for further investigation, because their oga will be Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho, as at now in the face court proceedings for Benin Republic, where in the and DSS now declared their oga wanted. Instead of Sunday Igboho to produce himself for DSS in travel come out for Nigeria before they can arrest him. So they can use that one as example. Say if their oga no go fit present himself to DSS, wey been they try to escape from the country, how then they sure say if they release this other 4 where they want to continue investigation for their hand, those people will be available. So now the matter wey dem present to Justice Obiora Egwatu. So out of the 12 respondents, they say na only 9 dem go release. Justice Obiora Egwatu never taken decision. As I tell her when I start this live video, the court go on short break. So we dey expect say when he come back, he go take decision whether dem go release all of them or not. Meanwhile, the applicants, according to their lawyer Pelumi Olajembesi, tell the court say e no dey according to constitution for DSS to keep these people for 34 days for their custody without charging them to court for the alleged criminal offence. This one wey dem dey so na just arrest o. They never even charge them go court. Now then they dey 34 days so for DSS custody. Say that one is no good at all. So for them not to further affect the fundamental rights of these applicants, make them release all of them, make them grant them bail. So country people, now the matter what we bring to us. So if you just join us, this na BBC Pidgin, and we dey reach on a live from the Federal High Court Abuja, where Justice Obiora Egwatu they hear the bail application of the 12 aides of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho, where they DSS custody since 34 days now. So the respondents will be the DSS. They beg the judge, say I beg, make the judge no jeopardize the investigation, because if he release these 4 people, they're not sure say they will make themselves available for further investigation. So the DSS talk say after their investigation for these 34 days, say the 4 people where they don't want to make them release, they see 7 AK-47 for their hand, 3 pump action, stump gun, 1,295 rounds of ammunition, and plenty others where I no go fit tell on now, but Makana just know say now because of these things, now he make they say they won't continue investigation for the other 4 people. Then the 8 people, DSS don't say they no go oppose their bail, because after the investigation, they see say the activities of the 8 people where they won't grant bail no link to criminal activities. So these 4 people where then they beg the judge to still keep for their custody for the next 14 days, according to the DSS, 7 AK-47, 9C, 3 pump action, stump gun, 1,295 live ammunitions, and plenty other things where I no fit remember from my head now. So then they beg